Hi friends, this is Dr. Sudhir Sharma with a new video titled The Most Important Lesson Failures Can Teach You in Life. So, what is the most important lesson failures can teach us? I will share my understanding of this towards the end of the video. First, we are going to look at some common lessons failures in life teach us and their ability to transform our lives for better. All of us have failed in the past, in our jobs, in our career, in fulfilling our own expectations or those of our family members, etc., etc. We learn from our failures to bring desirable changes in our actions and behaviors. We learn various lessons in order to lessen the chances of meeting failure again in life and suffering the emotional traumas of having failed. Do we all not remember the emotional pain of feeling frustrated, angry, hurt, depressed, lonely, etc. when we met failures in life? These painful, disturbing emotions nobody wants to have again in life. This means we don't want to fail again, or else we will suffer emotionally. This, friends, is the most common lesson failures teach us. The shortcoming of this lesson is this: although it will bring changes in our behavior and actions, but it fails to heal the emotional hurts of the past. Hence, this is not the most useful, most important lesson failures teach us. Another important lesson failures can teach us is the need and requirement to improve our functional ability or expertise in order to avoid failures in future. Failures put pressure on us to improve our qualification, improve our skill, do another course, practice more, improve technology, etc., etc. We all will tend to agree that such lessons learned from failure is a good one, but this still cannot be called the most important lesson. Why I am saying this? For the simple reason that pressures caused by disturbed emotions because of failure is still operating in our psyche. Although we will be performing better because of the lesson learned, yet our health will suffer because the emotional stress of failure is still persisting. Now, before I share my understanding of the most important lesson failures in life can teach us, I would like to highlight something about this journey we call our life. Dear friends, we all understand that life happens and it is always moving and changing. The events and the circumstances are constantly showing changes, and these changes are not controlled by our wishful thinking or desires. Life is free to happen, free to take any expected or unexpected course anytime and all the time. Now, with this understanding of life, let us look at the most important lesson the failures in life are teaching us. Dear friends, failure is labeled as failure by our thinking mind at the level of comparing the result it wanted and the result it got. Let us clearly understand what actually happened at the level of life. What actually happened was that in its freedom, life decided to produce a result, an event, a set of circumstances that was not right according to our desires and expectations. All sensitive and wise persons must respect this freedom of life to give us both success or failures from time to time. Sometimes success, sometimes failure is the living equation of life, and we have to accept it, admire it, and respect it. In life, every event, every action is complete in itself. There is no success or failure in life. only different endings or results. In life, there is always a fresh, living start after every ending, without any gap between the ending and this fresh start. There is this journey called life, friends. Please learn to enjoy being in it. In the light of above, let me summarize the most important lesson the failures in life can teach us. This most important lesson says, please don't label failure as failure and suffer emotionally. In the book of life, failures do not exist. There are only different results of our efforts and actions at different times. Life is moving on, and so should we, enjoying this magnificent journey of no labels. If you have liked the video, then please share it with others. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end.